What if Queen Elsa and Jack Frost were dating? The fairy tale romance would start when the two met at the gala ball for fantasy characters. They'd sneak away together and hang out away from everyone else and have a secret snowball fight for two. By the end of the night, magic would be in the air as things between Jack and Elsa started getting hot. Or, cold, I mean. The coolest couple in the land of Once Upon a Time would have a storybook love complete with snuggly dates, ice skating, romantic duets sung in harmony, and candlelit dinners, where Elsa would cover the check because she's a strong, independent woman. Like this video if you are too. Hashtag Jelsa would leave the kingdom to go on an exotic vacation exploring the world in their magic-made ice castle by attaching 1,000,000 balloons to the roof. But while they were away, an evil genie would attack the city using blasts of fire to melt all the ice and snow. No! When Jack and Elsa returned from their trip, they discovered the meanie genie had taken over. With the flames too hot for their ice powers to work, Jack and Elsa would have to fight fire with a little backup from their friends Hiccup and Toothless. Dragons to the rescue! With the kingdom saved, the ice-cold couple would have the greatest fairy tale wedding ever. Then Queen Elsa and King Jack Frost would present Hiccup and Toothless with medals of valor and declare Dragon Day throughout the land. And that's what would happen if Queen Elsa and Jack Frost dated. Next episode, we're shipping up JADEN SMITH with someone. Who should it be? Leave a comment down below to let us know who you want to ship JADEN with. And then subscribe to AwesomenessTV if you're a hashtag Jelsa shipper. Hey, wait, the story isn't over. After saving Jack and Elsa, Hiccup and Toothless decided to go off and explore the land some more. Click right here to see what they found.
What do you say? What should we name it? Itchy armpit it is.